Hey, what is up, YouTube? I am back with another unboxing, and we got the Union Arena Chainsaw Man. So let's get right into this. Let's see here. There we go. Alright, so I am excited to open this. This, I think, is like my fourth box that I've opened, so I'm hoping to get another 2-star like I did for Inuyasha. But let's start off first with the box topper promo. There we go. And we got Power. Nice typical one there. No foil, or no whatever the special one is. These packs are a little difficult to get into, but let's get right into it. See if we get anything good. Nothing yet. I still have not actually watched the Rize movie arc yet. Just kind of been watching a lot of other stuff recently. Ooh! SR Makima. First SR. Not bad. But, ooh, AP. Let's put the APs to the side. We'll do those ones last. Hopefully we get a holo AP or something. This will be... I already pulled a holo AP of Power from a different box. And of course I did not have that recorded, but whatever. I am getting a lot more into Union Arena, and there are some other card games that I wanted to try out. Ooh, we got Aki SR. Put that right there. But yeah, I'm trying to get into some other card games. Union Arena, obviously, I have already kind of gotten into. I did get to go to Gen Con, obviously, to play the Naruto card game, which I thought was a lot of fun, so I'm hoping that I will be able to... Ooh! We got the Himeno Parallel. That looks good. Nice! So there is our Parallel. I'll just put that like right there, I guess. But yeah, I got to try out the Naruto card game. I thought that was a lot of fun. I'm hoping that I will be able to get some cards, but who knows? Just because, you know, One Piece is so bad right now. I'm expecting that Naruto is probably going to be similar to that. Just hard to get. But yeah, I'm hoping that it'll be kind of fun to get some packs. We got another Denji. Nice. Actually need that for a deck right there. But yeah, besides that, I'm also looking into... I just found out about Haikyuu Vobaka Break, so I might be getting into that as well. I actually ordered some Japanese boxes, so I'm hoping that those come soonish, because I wanted to try that out. The gameplay looks really fun for that, so I'm kind of interested to try that out. But yeah, and the cards look kind of crazy, in my opinion, the parallels. Ooh, we got a Power SR. Not bad. But yeah, we're getting close here. Haven't seen another AP, so I don't know if this is going to be a big box or not. So far, we are not looking too hot, besides the Himeno Parallel. Let's see though. Denji. I have not seen the ending to the manga yet. I heard a lot of people had mixed feelings about it. Ooh, Bomb Devil. Nice. Nice. I don't think I need that for a deck, but not sure. But we are on the last 3 packs. Haven't seen another AP, so I'm guessing this box probably isn't going to have anything too crazy. There is another AP. I think these are going to be just regular, normal APs. But this is our last actual pack. And we got an Aki SR for the last one. Now let's check out these APs. These are probably just going to be, yep, normal APs. We got Kobeni. And we got, let's see here, another Chainsaw Man. So yeah, that was our last pack. Let's just take another look at this Himeno. I will say this card looks really good. But yeah, that was our big pull for the box. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see any other Union Arena sets, or if you want to see any other card games, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.